Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your monthly reading for the month of February 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Scorpio. I've already pulled out the oracle cards, but I will be pulling out tarot cards on cam. Before I dive into the reading, let me remind you, it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So I've pulled out oracle cards, but I haven't checked them. So I will be checking them as we move along with the reading. But first, we're gonna tap into the energies with the tarot cards first. Let's see what is coming up for the Scorpions in the month of February 2021. Let's see what is happening in your life in the month of February 2021. The Death card makes you have a lot of transformations. Ooh, pair up with Ten of Wands. You will be experiencing a lot of endings, which definitely gonna be positive in a way because. With Ten of Wands, wow, where was the card? With Ten of Wands and the Death, it's more like changing yourself for better. Why? Because the things that have been more like a burden to you, you will be breaking free from those things. You will be breaking free from those relationships. You will be basically freeing yourself or setting yourself free from anything and everything that was burdenizing you or your life in one way or the other, in a negative way, for sure. And I feel like it's gonna be the time where you're gonna I feel like maybe this is the energy of you right now as I'm recording this video on the night of the 29th. For some of you, maybe this change that is happening within you is gonna be like stemming out of some endings, and your attitude, your perspective around your life, your love life is going to change. You are leaving behind the things that were burdenizing you. They might have already left your life, relationships, work, anything and everything that was making you feel like stuck and stagnant. I feel like that thing, that energy is leaving your life, and it is going to bring a lot of positive changes in your life in the month of February 2021. The things that have been stagnant would start moving forward is what I'm picking up with these two cards and the energies that comes along with them. Let's see what else is going to happen for the Scorpions in the month of February 2021. Let's see. Let's begin. What is coming up for Scorpions in the month of February 2021? Let's begin. Ooh. Walking into 2021's February is like getting or setting yourself free from everything that was blocking you, holding you back. If I talk about relationships, you would feel fresh, you would feel free to give commitment. If there was something that was holding you back, it now would not hold you back. Whatever the block was is gone, is removed, and you are now in your zone where you can do whatever you want to do. You are feeling excited, happy, enthusiastic about your life, love life decisions, everything. You are feeling good and positive. For some of you, you might have achieved some sort of a very very demanding goal of yours, and now since you have achieved that goal, since now you have received whatever it was that you were working towards, you will feel ready to to get onto a new journey of your life where you are feeling free, happy, on top of the world. So it's going to be that kind of a vibe that you would be entering into the month of February with. Let's see more cards here. Seven of Pentacles. Whatever that you felt like you are not ready to put your effort into because you didn't have enough time, it was too time consuming. I feel like now the things that you have been holding on to or you have been delaying for later on, you will be pursuing those things now because now you have all the time in the world to give to those things that you were delaying earlier. If your work life has become your focus, your prime focus, I would say, then now that shift is happening towards love life. You would be now giving the time to the things that you were leaving behind or delaying or piling on for later on. You will be giving your time and energy to do all those things, be that love life, be that work life situation, be that family life situation. Yes, I do see you now free, happy, excited to pursue all the things that you were putting a stop on. Let's see more cards here. Nine of Wands. Now it's more like hold on, let's take one card. Yep, you are walking away from everything that was It's more like, you have left all the negative energy behind. As you enter into the month of February, it's like you, a new you. It's not going to be you, the same old you who used to, put a hold on one area of your life to pursue the other area of your life. It's completely shifted. Your time, your energy, your focus has shifted to one area to another area. And now I feel like, for majority of you, maybe you would be, hold on, let's see. Yeah, you really want, I feel like, for majority of you, you have achieved your one goal, whatever it was that was time consuming. It can be very well regarding to your work life situation, and I do see you now free to pursue your love life goals, to pursue you travel. If you have been planning to travel but you were not able to get enough time for that, you will be doing that as well. I do see for some of you, maybe it was a love situation that you were putting a hold on to. Now it's going to be the prime focus for you now. As you set yourself free from the work situations, from the burdenizing situations, you are ready to pursue your love in the most beautiful way, where you're feeling happy, excited to go about it without having any pressure of the work, pressure of the family, pressure of, this and that. You are now free to pursue whatever you want to pursue. You have no past baggages to block you. You have no restrictions, be that self-imposed, be that coming from the outside source. You are free to pursue whatever you want to pursue now in the month of February. Five of Cups, and I feel like, when it comes to your love life situations, maybe you have ignored, neglected your love life too bad that now when you think of going back to the past or going back to the person from the past, you will have your hard times, reconnecting with the past person, because maybe they are, for some of you, you might see that the person that you are connecting with or want to connect to, they might have moved on. For others of you, maybe they have already pulled away from you. Why? Because maybe you were not giving into them or the connection that they had with you. That's going to happen for very few of you, because I feel like, the energy that you are having, or the energy that you are entering into the month of February with is so positive that you will not get a negative response. But for very few of you, maybe you will stumble upon some sort of blocks in your path towards that specific someone, especially if you have hurt them a lot in the past by keeping them on wait and, doing your things and keeping them out of the picture and stuff. If you have done something wrong like that to them, they are going to give you a hard time. But I do see eventually things gonna get fine, fine between the two of you, because the justice will come in the situation for both of you, and you will be able to start something new together. But I feel like, you will have some sort of hard time there for sure when it comes to your love life situation. I eventually see you happy, because like I said earlier, like with the energies that you are starting the month with, it's very positive, it's very happy that you would be eventually be able. And for some of you, maybe you're a very happy-go-lucky kind of a person. You have been like that since forever, but because of your work pressures and stuff like that, you might have become kind of dull. You might have become kind of, you might have become a different you, and you are going back to the old you who was fun, loving, happy, who wanted to invest their time and energy into the things that they loved. And I feel like, you will be having a U-turn to the old you that you used to be with this one specific someone. You might have become, very dry and dull because of your pressures that you were having, be that around love, work, or whatever the scenarios were. But now you're free to do the things that you used to do earlier as well. You would be more passionate, you would be more good in bed, you would be more exciting, you would be more energetic to explore different ideas when it comes to love life, work life, and home life situation. I feel like, the love life is going to be the prime focus for you in the month of February, as you start focusing on that area of your life, leaving the work life situation behind. Underneath the deck, we do have the Three of Wands. Underneath that, the Seven of Wands. Underneath that, Three of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. Let's see one card for the Three of Wands. I feel like, for some of you, you still will be on that same page. Now, for those of you who let me see why. Okay. If you are a cross watcher, or maybe it can be happening for some Scorpios as well, or it can be for majority of you. I feel like, it's going to be happening for the cross watchers. But if you're, if you're not a cross watcher, but still you are on the receiving end of waiting for someone, I feel like, in that situation, you have to start prioritizing yourself. The moment you do that, you will get this person coming forward. You will get the Scorpion person coming forward. For others of you, maybe you are a Scorpion, but you are on the waiting side. If that's you, so you need to start working on building your own confidence, working on, start working on yourself. Instead of waiting on for things to change, waiting on for this person to change towards you, you really have to start loving yourself the way you want to be loved by this person. The moment you stop waiting on for this person, that's going to be the moment when this person is going to reach out to you. For majority of you, I feel like, this is the message for the cross watchers, but for very few of Scorpions as well would be the one on waiting side. Maybe the person had either pushed them away or walked away. But again, for 90% of Scorpions, I feel like, you are the one who has done this to the people that you were dealing with. But for 10% of you, maybe you are on the receiving end of some sort of not so happy energies coming from your person because they have been neglecting you. But whatever the case has been, if you start working towards, building your own confidence and building onto, prioritizing yourself, you will be getting a new beginning with your specific someone. But yes, before you could have that beginning, you really have to start valuing yourself. You really have to be in that zone where you're feeling happy, excited about yourself. The moment you work on that, the moment you set yourself free from any sort of waiting attached to this love life scenario that might have been stuck, you will start seeing positive results. If your person is, has kept you on waiting, now it's time for you to stop waiting on for them and start working on yourself. If you are the Scorpion, I feel like, you are the one who was keeping your life partner stuck because of you were so focused on something else. In that situation, the Scorpions are definitely getting themselves free from that responsibility work situation and now ready to pursue their love. Let's see what the colors have to add to the reading. Let's see which color is going to be lucky for you. Watermelon. Have fun with your inner child. It's going to be the time where you will be having, like I said, Scorpions are going back to the old ways of dealing with things where they have no pressure or any sort of restriction, be that self-imposed or coming from an outside source. I do see you very free, excited about your future. I do see for some of you, maybe you were dependent on your family for your decisions, maybe, but now you are not. You might have achieved something good in your life that now you don't have to need, or you don't need any sort of approval coming from your family. So again, I do see Scorpions are now in the position where they can take whatever they want to take a stand on. Let's see more cards here. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. If you are a cross watcher or if you are the Scorpion yourself, you really have to start imagining as if this beautiful energy is like, just all around you, where you are happy, excited, you can do anything and everything. Nothing that you don't want exists in your life. All that you want is existing in your life. That's the thought is going to be like, should be the, the dominant thought for you in the month of February. So you could have all the possibilities that you want to see for yourself in all areas of your life. Let's see more cards here. Counselor. You are a natural counselor and many people benefit from your guidance and reassurance. I feel like, now you have become the you that you never explored earlier. With this energy, it seems like, you are setting yourself free in each and every way. And now you are ready to, you are now ready basically to be the healer, the counselor. You will be on the giving end now. I feel like, you will be pretty much the helper. You will be pretty much the one who is who is the giver, basically, is what I'm picking up. Wow. Let's see more cards here. Spiritual understanding. I am bringing you esoteric information and symbols and helping you understand spiritual truths. For various, for many of you, I feel like, it's going to be the time where you will be very intuitive as well. You will be picking up a lot of signs coming from the universe regarding your path forward, be that in love or be that in work life situation. Nothing will come out of this situation. If you are on the waiting side for something to happen, nothing will come out of the situation. Either you stop waiting or you stop, hold on. Yeah, either you stop waiting or you start prioritizing your it's more like, either you stop waiting for the things to come your way, and if you cannot do that, if you cannot stop waiting for a specific thing to happen, for a specific change to come in, it's more like, if you continue doing this, you will be always on the waiting end for things to work out for you. You will never be the game changer. It's all in your hands right now. If you start working on yourself, you will start seeing the changes that you desire to come for you. If you if you are, the one Scorpion who is the on the giver end, I feel like, now is the time when you have realized that you keeping your love life stuck is, that thing needs to end. That you holding your love life area for your work life situation needs to end, because nothing good will come out of that situation. You really have to bring some balance in your life. So you really need to stop waiting, be that you on the receiving end or be that you on the giving end. If you are on the giving end, you really have to stop waiting on for some area of your life to work out so you could pursue your love life. If you are on the receiving end, then you really have to stop waiting on for your, the Scorpion love. Because if you continue waiting on for this person will never show up. You really have to pull yourself out of this waiting period here, so you could have whatever you desire right now in this very moment. You really have to understand this. So before you could have what you want, whatever you desire, you will have it all. But yes, you really need to pull yourself out of that situation. Guilt. I feel like, for majority of you will be having some sort of guilt regarding, the things that could have been, sorted out earlier. Why? Because I feel like, for some of you, maybe, even if you're a Scorpion, or even if you're a cross watcher, or even if you're, giving Scorpio or the receiving Scorpio, because it's going to be different for different people, because, there are so many Scorpions who are watching it. For majority of you, I feel like, it's always the Scorpions who are, keeping the life of another person stuck. But if you are the one who is suffering because of other people in your life, then I feel like, you really need to stop waiting on for them. You really need to start working on the now, feeling good about yourself, feeling confident in your love, in your prayers, in your affirmations. That's the way to go ahead to have what you want. The universe will be helping you, guiding you through symbols and signs. You will be, tapping into the new energy for yourself, so you could be the magnet to all that you want. I feel like, for some of you, you are still on that zone, or in that zone where you are, disappointed in your love life, disappointed in yourself, feeling guilt for not doing the things that you wanted to do. Maybe for some of you, you're gonna feel like, in the month of February, you're gonna feel like, I was investing a lot of my time and energy into my other areas of your life, ignoring, neglecting my love life. You will be having that guilt as well for some of you. Let's see. But whatever the guilt is, like, you really have to take action towards it. Like, whatever that makes you feel guilty, you really need to do something productive to pull yourself out of that guilt situation. Again, I would suggest you to, work towards, if you're feeling stuck, try to figure out what is it that you are doing wrong. Because whatever it is that you are doing wrong, it all stems from your thoughts. If you are thinking the thoughts that you don't want, like, for instance, I don't want to get ignored, I don't want my person to take me for granted. If you are thinking all those thoughts, you really need to start thinking of the thoughts that you really want, that you really desire. I would love to be loved by my person. I would love and happy to receive commitment from my person. Whatever it is that you desire, keep your thoughts focused on the things that you desire, not on the things that you don't want. So make sure you understand that there must be something that you are doing wrong, that you might have been doing wrong, which has kept you stuck and stagnant in your life in one way or the other. Try to work on those things so your life will be better in the month of February 2021. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for my Scorpions in this reading. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.